Superannuation, or super, is money that is saved for your retirement. It's a long-term investment that grows throughout your working life and can generally only be accessed when you turn 65 or reach what's called your preservation age and meet other conditions. If you're working, your employer should be contributing to your account. This is known as the superannuation guarantee. By law, your employer must contribute a set percentage of your salary. You can also contribute to your own super, which may help you save on tax. Every dollar that's added to your account is invested by your super fund to help it grow. At GESB, we manage super for current and former employees in the WA public sector, investing your money for you so it can grow in value. The sooner you start investing in super, the more time your money has to grow and compound in value. Super funds charge you fees to look after your money. These include administration fees, investment fees, and insurance premiums. As you change jobs, you might have had more than one super account created for you. This means you end up paying multiple sets of fees, which eats away at your savings. To keep your super growing, you should consider consolidating your super into one fund. Our fees are among the lowest in the industry. You can find your super details by logging into MyGov. If you have super with more than one fund, you can consolidate them through MyGov as well. As a GESB member, you can manage your account by registering for Member Online at mol.gesb.wa.gov.au. With more than 85 years' experience supporting WA workers, GESB is here to help you make the most of your super, no matter where you are in your working life. To learn more about your super, visit gesb.wa.gov.au.